Alright, let's talk about something that's got the astronomy world buzzing, the August 2026 solar eclipse. But here's the thing, this isn't just any eclipse. Personally, I think what makes this one so fascinating is the timing. It's not just a celestial event, it's a double feature. Later that night, the Perseid meteor shower peaks. If you take a step back and think about it, having a total solar eclipse and one of the year's best meteor showers on the same day is like the universe throwing a party. But let's break this down, because there's a lot more to it than just the spectacle. First, the eclipse itself. The path of totality, that's where the moon completely covers the sun, is pretty exclusive. We are talking Greenland, Iceland, Spain, and a tiny sliver of northern Portugal. If you're anywhere else in Europe, the UK, or parts of North America, you're getting a partial eclipse. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The maps and animations for this event are a goldmine for planners and enthusiasts. NASA's global animation, for instance, shows the moon's shadow sweeping across the Earth. What many people don't realize is how fast this shadow moves, thousands of miles per hour. It's a reminder of just how dynamic our solar system is. But let's zoom in on Spain and Portugal for a second. The total eclipse map for this region is a must-see. If you're planning to be there, you're in for something truly special. Totality lasts just a few minutes, but those minutes are unlike anything else. The sky darkens, stars appear, and the sun's corona, that ethereal glow around the sun, becomes visible. What this really suggests is how rare and fleeting these moments are. It's not just about seeing it, it's about experiencing it. Now, let's talk about the Perseids. This meteor shower is already a crowd favorite, but pairing it with an eclipse, that's next level. The Perseids are known for their bright, fast meteors, and their radiant point, the spot in the sky where they appear to come from, is easy to find. But here's the kicker, the moon will be in its new phase during the eclipse, which means darker skies for meteor watching. From my perspective, this is the universe aligning to give us the best possible viewing conditions. What makes this really interesting is how these two events complement each other. The eclipse is about precision, the exact alignment of the sun, moon, and earth. The Perseids, on the other hand, are about chaos, random bits of comet debris burning up in our atmosphere. Together, they showcase the duality of our cosmos, order and randomness, calm and chaos. If you take a step back and think about it, that's a pretty profound metaphor for life itself. One thing that immediately stands out is how accessible this event is, thanks to the resources available. From NASA's animations to detailed charts for the UK and Ireland, there's something for everyone. Even if you're not in the path of totality, you can still experience the partial eclipse and the Perseids. What this really suggests is that astronomy isn't just for experts, it's for anyone curious enough to look up. But here's a deeper question. Why do we find these events so captivating? Personally, I think it's because they remind us of our place in the universe. Eclipses and meteor showers are humbling. They show us how small we are, but also how connected we are to something much bigger. A detail I find fascinating is how ancient civilizations viewed these events, often as omens or divine messages. Today, we understand the science, but that sense of wonder remains. So, what's the takeaway here? If you're anywhere near the path of totality in 2026, start planning now. And even if you're not, don't sleep on the partial eclipse or the Perseids. This is one of those rare moments where the universe puts on a show, and you don't want to miss it. In my opinion, this isn't just about watching the sky, it's about feeling a part of something greater. So, mark your calendars, grab your eclipse glasses, and look up. Because, honestly, events like these don't come around often, and when they do, they leave you with a perspective that's hard to forget.